If you want to become an intelligent investor, then you've landed just at the right channel. With this, let's start the video. अब हम चलेंगे टुवर्ड्स इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज जहाँ पे हम डेटा सेंटर कूलिंग सॉल्यूशन का जो मेगा ट्रेंड है उसका डिस्कशन करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे नील जो मेरा कॉलीग है यहाँ एसओआईसी में सो ही विल बी कवरिंग दैट सो ओवर टू नील
The theme we are going to discuss today is of data centers, which has become cathedrals of modern commerce. And the company we're going to discuss in this, the company which is riding this wave is Vertiv, which keeps the world switched on and investors switched in. What I mean by that is like imagine the internet as a global nervous system. और अगर इसमें से सिर्फ एक डेटा सेंटर रैक भी फेल होता है सो यो एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्स द होल डिजिटल नर्व एंडिंग गोज नम. सो अगर जो आप स्ट्रीम करते हो नेटफ्लिक्स पे दैट विल स्टॉप. जो डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शंस हम करते हैं डिजिटल पेमेंट्स विल स्टॉप. And like the cloud literally rains on businesses if even single data center fails. The whole responsibility and value proposition of Vertiv is to prevent this blackout. To prevent these blackouts, Vertiv acts as a one-stop shop partner for the hyperscalers. So like वो उन लोगों को uninterrupted power supply भी provide करेंगे. They will provide liquid cooling as well. And they will provide 24/7 predictive maintenance as well. So by using AI and predictive technologies, they will be monitoring all the activities that is happening in the data center and in their products. And the cost for hyperscalers of a lost hour is massive. So here what you're talking about is Verti provides a critical service, and even 1 hour ka loss be like it costs thousands of dollars for hyperscalers. That is the reason the main value proposition of Vertiv is of being a reliable supplier rather than a cost-effective supplier. And if you look at the business model, it is a typical razor and blade business model where each hardware layers is accompanied by a service layer. What I mean by this is every product ke liye, they have a service contract for it. And if a hardware contract is of lower margin, say 30%, because of the service revenue stream, the whole gross margin goes up towards 40%. And it is every hardware acts as a annuity for the service revenue. And each hardware also expands with new additional sites. सो अगर उन्होंने एक हाइपरस्केलर को एक साइट पर प्रोवाइड करा ये सिस्टम, देन एवरी साइट के साथ उनका हार्डवेयर सेल भी ग्रो करता रहता है. एंड द सर्विस लेयर दे लेयर ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट also gives a recurring stream of income to them which push the gross margins towards 40%. So अगर हम growth drivers की बात करें, so because of the digitization of everything that was once analog is getting digitized. The whole AI की वजह से the end market which is data center, which forms overall the 80% of the Vertiv's business, has provided a massive opportunity for Vertiv. So अगर कोई भी additional 1 megawatt of data center build out होता है, that provides an opportunity of 2.5 to 3.5 million for Vertiv. And this whole market has been growing at 12 to 15% due to the advancements in AI, due to ChatGPT, Perplexity, and new language models coming up. And they are absolutely power hungry. And to prevent this power outage, so massive amounts of spend is going to happen into power backup, which Vertiv plays in that segment. And if you look at the competitive landscape, only there are two comparable players, which is Eaton and Schneider, because ABB, which just provides the power supplies, is not into that full stack system which Vertiv supplies, and Huawei is already banned in US, and Delta is only present in Asia. So over a global landscape, mein Vertiv is only left having the full stack ecosystem within itself. The reason it is a market leader in that. So what makes Vertiv unique is that they have already have an installed base over across geographies and countries. They have over 70,000 installed bases. सो अगर आपका ऑलरेडी सिस्टम एक जगह पे डिप्लॉयड है, कंपनी में या हाइपर स्केल में डिप्लॉयड है, टू रिप दैट ऑफ इज वेरी कॉस्टली फॉर हाइपर स्केलर्स एंड दैट क्रिएट्स द स्विचिंग कॉस्ट. जैसे हमने डिस्कस करा था कि इवन 1 hour ऑफ आउटेज कॉस्ट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डॉलर्स टू हाइपर स्केलर्स. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इंस्टॉल्ड बेस which provides a customer stickiness and high switching cost for the customers, Vertiv also has an IP leadership. So like उन्होंने hyperscalers जो है Nvidia and Intel उनके साथ मिलकर they have developed over 200 liquid cooling patents. So apart from the install base as well, they have IP ownership as well, which gives them a unique edge over other competitors. And to have and deploy this architecture in a seamless manner, they have over 4,000 service field stations across continents in every geography. So बिना उस service partner mesh के, you cannot provide this whole ecosystem. So this is what gives Vertiv a unique advantage over competitors like Eaton or Schneider. And even ABB सिर्फ power supply है, so that is not a direct competitor to Vertiv. And this is backed by numbers. So if we look at the growth over last 4 to 5 years, so like 2021 में barely $5 billion revenue था, that has scaled to almost 8 billion in 2024. And margin has also expanded from just 9.4% in 2021 to 19% in 2024. and this has been backed by a strong cash generation. और अगर हम फ्यूचर में की बात करें, so they have guided a very strong revenue growth of 12 to 14% over next 4 years, which is 14.4 billion by 2029. And their margin is also like, this is one of the key lever for investors to track. Margin वो यहाँ से भी further guide कर रहे हैं, will expand from 19% to 25%. And cash generation has always been healthy due to the sticky service revenue stream, which is just 20% of the revenue but forms 1/3 of the profit for Vertiv. And recently उन्होंने कॉन कॉल पे आके like decent results में earlier they guided for 8 to 11% revenue growth, which they have revised to 12 to 14%. और main point है like operating margin पहले वो सिर्फ guide करते 20%, and that also they have now revised the guidance towards 25%. So in essence we can think of Vertiv as a chief grid architect. So like वो लोग आपको substation provide करेंगे, liquid cooling provide करेंगे, then they will provide the maintenance crew as well. And this ecosystem of approach of solutions, they enables capital good player to having a revenue stream also which is high margin recurring in nature and making 40% gross margin. And to protect these cash flows, they are backed by global service reach, IP and patents on the liquid cooling technology. वो जो पार्टनर कर रहे हैं NVIDIA and Intel के साथ, तो अगर hyperscaler आपके साथ पार्टनर कर रहा है, that means that you have those capabilities to have that ownership of that IP. And along with that, they have already an installed base which provides a recurring service revenue stream. So in all, Vertiv is like one of the most pure play proxy to ride the AI data center wave. So the next business we are going to discuss is of Tecogen. So like Tecogen is basically like proxy का proxy. अभी हमने like Vertiv की बात करी that they are riding the AI data center wave. They are already a large global player with $8 billion of sales, global network and everything. But Tecogen is like literally a micro cap in US market, less than $100 million in market cap. And they are only present into a small niche of liquid cooling. And this is also not a very small niche because early next 10 years may over 20 billion of spend is expected in this segment. And one of the most interesting thing about this company is that they recently signed a deal with Vertiv itself to have them as a sales and distribution partner. So like this is a very major transformational deal for them, क्योंकि ऐसे हमने बात करी थी कि like Vertiv already has a global installed base. So by having the already established distribution network and Tecogen partnering with Vertiv, it opens a massive market opportunity for them. And अगर like they service और value proposition की बात करें, so they basically have a one service or one product which is of natural gas chiller. So like वही है क्या basically, जैसे अभी data center में एक electric chiller होता है जिसमें natural gas को convert करके normal आप electricity build कर रहे हो. So like उनका basically value proposition क्या है, by using the natural gas patented chiller which they have a patent on it. So उनका design इस तरीके से है कि they can, the data center players can save around 30% of their power cost. And in terms of the power density in all the AI workloads, this 30% power cost is a lot for the customers. And अगर हम थोड़ा सा कस्टमर लेंस से सोचे, जो भी उनका लाइक नेचुरल गैस चिलर है, इट कॉस्ट अराउंड $2 to $3 million फॉर द कस्टमर, एंड इसका पे बैक उनको 2 years में ही मिल जाता है कस्टमर को. And because of this value proposition and distribution sales network opening through Vertiv, this could be a like significant step change for Tecogen given the market cap or the scale they are operating at. And the sales is barely 30 million. So like अगर उनका पूरा global network खुल जाता है उनके लिए, so this could be a massive step. Like J-curve effect could come in this business model. And like talking of business model, इनका भी like similar business model है of hardware and service revenue stream. So they have a typical hardware sale of natural gas chiller. Then उसके ऊपर they start the AMC service maintenance charges as well. And this is also one of the most profitable service line. इस रीजन की वजह से उनके जो ओवरऑल ग्रोस मार्जिन है दैट इज इंचिंग अप टुवर्ड्स 50%. And if we look at the total grid of gross margins and EV to sales multiple of competitors, it is one of the cheapest and highest gross margins of Tecogen. And in terms of riding the growth drives, it is driving the same secular trends which Vertiv is driving of data center, digitization of everything, AI demand workloads increasing. So, and basically Vertiv already distribution sales partner hai. So in essence, it becomes a proxy to proxy in which they provide the electron in a cheaper and greener form. So like these are the two companies that are riding the AI data center wave.
So if you loved this video and you had a differentiated business insight, then do subscribe to this channel, and you can also follow our main channel of SOIC. Thank you so much for watching it.